Hello my internet friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how you can push your project on GitHub with the help of Git. So that also with few lines of Git commands. So let's jump into our video.
Again, it's a redskin.
So first thing we will be requiring of course GitHub and one Git. So GitHub, let's talk about GitHub first. So open github.com, and if you haven't signed in, so open github.com, add the credential and just sign up to the GitHub account. After that, open this GitHub and you will see this dashboard here. So first thing, we will create one repository. So for that you can see here option like new, click on that new. After that it is saying create a new repository. To create a new repository, first give a name to our repository. I will just write demo repo something. Okay, it is saying repo is available. After that just click on create repository. So it will create one repository as a name demo repo. So this was creating a repo. Next thing we want is Git. So first we have to download Git. So you can see just type the download Git and you will see this first link. Click on that and you can see download for Windows. This is for Windows. Just click download and install it, and you can see for Mac and Windows, simply download and install it. So I will just show you what project I want to push to GitHub. So this is my folder. In YouTube folder I have my project. So I want to push this project to my GitHub repo. So just open. So after installing Git, first open the cmd prompt. Just write cmd, open it, and just type git to see if git is successfully installed. So if you see these commands, then it is successfully installed. If not, then reinstall the git. Next thing, so we will see now how to use git. So this so I told you like these two files I have in my project folder, code and one simply readme file. So next thing, just right click on the directory which you want to push to GitHub. So right click and you can see here option git bash here. So click and it will open the git bash in that directory. So I will just write simply for ls. So ls just gives the what kind of files are there, like so these are the two files present in this directory. So simply it just shows it. So next thing, we have to initialize our git repo. So just write git and init. So it will initialize one git repository. So it is saying initialize empty git. So we have initialized our git repository. Next thing is git add. So git add, and after that we have two options like add the all files in the repo, or if I want to add like just only code. So just mention here, first write git add and mention the file name. So in my case it is code. If I let's suppose I want to add only code file, not the readme. So just write code and just press the tab, or you can just write C tab. It will automatically choose that file if the file is only starting with C. I mean only one file is present, but I want to add all the files to my repo, means all the files like code and readme. So simply I will write again like git add, just add dot, it means period. It says that add all these files in this directory, my project directory. So just hit enter. Okay, so we have added the files. Next thing, we have to commit. So first I will write git commit, then dash m, and in double quotation marks you will add one commit message. So after, if you want to add any like update commit, so you will just write updated. Or mostly when we are committing first commit, we mostly write initial commit or first commit. So I will just write first commit, so this will be our message. So we are committing the changes in our local directory, that is where we have added the files. Just after that hit enter. So you can see two files changed, created, code dot and readme. So these are in our, so these files are now committed. Next thing is our, we have to add all these files which are present in local directory to our main repo. So main repo is our, you can see this one. So okay, so we will add the command. So that is git remote add origin, and after that we will add our link. So I will tell you what link. So after creating a repo, you can see this kind of interface. So here you can see repo. So this is our link. You can if you click sss, it gives sss link and https. So I will use https link. So just click here, it is copied. Next thing, we have to add this here. So just right click and paste. You can see link is added. Don't use the keyboard shortcut like control plus v, it will give us an error. So just write git remote add origin https, whichever your link will be. So this link mostly denotes where your code is stored in remote repository. So just after that hit enter. So we have done with our like commit phase. So finally we will push our code to our main repository, that is demo repo. In my case it is demo repo. So for that we will write command git, then push, and just write origin master. So demo repo is my master repository. Uh, so you can say main repository. So after hitting this command git push origin master, so it establishes one connection with a remote repository, and it will upload our source code or any files to GitHub. So this is our final command. So if I hit enter, so you can see it is pushing our code to repository. So you can see it is saying master to master. So it is finally pushed to our main repository. So if you open that repository and refresh, so you can see our code is now pushed to our main repo, that is demo repository. Code and readme, these were my two files which are pushed. So this is what I wanted to tell you all with a simple code of Git, which will help you to push your code to the GitHub. So I have also made one blog on this simple. You can just follow the step and all the commands are present in that. I will give the link to that blog in the description. And yeah, that's it for today's video. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and take care.